Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make more money and be more productive. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can make more money and be more productive. So I hear about all these people talking about creating multiple streams of income, and I believe that's important. But if you don't have one stream of income, don't try to create more. So many people are focused on that. They do Amazon FBA, they do Shopify, they do YouTube, they do affiliate marketing, they do, a social media agency, they do all sorts of different things, and creating Facebook ads and YouTube ads and all these different things. And the truth about these people is they don't get anywhere. And the reason that is because they don't focus on one thing first. So many rich people have like multiple streams of income. If you look at someone like Bill Gates, I don't have an idea how many he has, but it's probably somewhere around 200 sources of income. But at first he created Microsoft. He didn't create all these different things and investing and real estate and investing in Coca-Cola, and he doesn't do that. Or he didn't do that. He did that after he actually created some success. Multitasking is a joke. Multitasking will keep you broke. And if you look at Gary Vee, yes, he does all these different things. But again, he didn't start off, making YouTube videos and, promoting his wine company, making shoes, going on all these social media. He did one thing and then he just scaled and scaled and scaled, and now he talks about how he responds on Instagram and all these things. But he probably didn't do that at the beginning. Actually, it's a fact because he actually made some videos about that, about how he didn't start off doing that. And when he was 20, he wasn't responding to comments, he wasn't in like a ton of different things, he was doing one thing. So that's kind of what most people talk about is, yeah, look at Gary Vee, he does a ton of different things, but the truth is, he didn't start off like that. So you really have to focus on doing one thing and focus a long time on it, because again, that's another thing. A lot of people focus on one thing for a week and then it doesn't work, and then they go to the next one and that doesn't work, and then they go to the next one and that doesn't work, and they keep on doing that over and over and over again. And that just doesn't work, because you really have to focus on one thing for at least a year. Like, that's the minimum. If you don't focus on one thing for a year, and when I say focus on it, I mean working on it every single day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, you really have to focus on it. And for me, it's YouTube. I'm focused on that. Like, I do that all day, every day. Well, not all day, obviously, but yeah, every day I work on it. And like, if you work on so many different things, you will not get anywhere. Like, that's just a fact. I know that for like everyone that's successful. If you look at them, I can guarantee that they worked on one single thing at the beginning. And even though you say that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income, and that's true, if you focus on 7 streams of income, that will keep you broke. So really focus on growing one thing and then going to the next one once the first one is automated. If you focus on too many different things, it just won't work. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.